Hello everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make a super cool skin tone like this. It looks so nice in 3D, can hardly even tell it was made in Vroid. Okay, so first off, oh, it's my ear. First off, please, get yourself a tablet. Oh, anyways. I highly recommend if you don't have an artist tablet and you want to get super into Vroid, I highly recommend that you do get one. So first off, I'm going to start with a darker skin tone than my actual skin tone, because it's easier for me to work with the shadow and then make a light source from it than to, like, not. Okay, so first off, we're going to do the darker shadow, and we are going to find where everything goes on the face. Okay, so you can see, you want to have the shadow slightly peeking out. You want to have a sense of depth, but you don't want to like make it super obvious. So you want to find where you can use the guide, the line guides, and then also we can just blur this out later. So I typically do this for the face. Because you want your dark shadow. It just is your basic shadow. And then we want to go in and slightly blur the edges. Just a quick once over. And I'm actually going to go in and clean my chin. Go lightly in with the airbrush tool and fix that because it's a bit too dark. Okay. Not too bad. I'm gonna blur that again though. Blur, blur, blur. Or maybe not that wide. Blur, 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 blur. Stop, 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 stop. I also do this like in an actual art program, but I'm too lazy to not work directly in Vroid. Alright, so then we're going to get our light color. Let me double check. Okay. Alright, so this is where it gets tricky. This is where having art reference really helps. I like Watanabe Akio's art. His has a lot of really, like, what's the word? Everything is separated so cleanly. It's really, really, really nice. So with anime screenshots and Genshin Impact or all of those games where they're like cel shaded, they have 3 skin tone colors. They have your darker shade, your lighter shade, and then your actual skin tone right here, the really, really, really light one. Okay, so we're going to steal that color. We're going to go in. We're going to find where the light would hit. The light naturally would hit right here with the cheek. And then I'm trying to remember how it goes. I'm gonna go over the nose. I think. Because basically your nose is where all of the light will cut off because your nose sticks out. Go in. And just kind of shade it in. And your forehead will be lighter than everything else. Go in and actually don't be afraid to like go back in and like darken things until it gets to where you want it to be. Um, oh wait, no, I'm going backwards. You're gonna wanna Yeah, there we go. Because your nose blocks light. So it'll be close to this. Alright, yep, that's how it is. Alright, and if you want to, you can blur it right here on the cheek. Right there. And then down here, a little bigger. Near the chin. And there you have it. Very easy. And if you want to, you can also do it up here too. Let's go back. I'm not finished with the whole body using this style, but it makes it look very clean and very fancy, and we all love fancy Vroid characters. And so like you can add a hairstyle to it. I'll just put a custom one maybe. Yeah. Put my custom one on. See, it looks really fancy and cool. I really hate that bangs. So like even with the basic hair, it looks really good. There's a lot of depth in the face. And it looks like a live 2D model. And it doesn't stretch or anything when you do the face, which is really nice. Because I was worried about that. So like it looks very nice. I hate the default faces. They're so bad. But yeah, it looks really nice and good. And it was super easy to do. All you had to have was someone telling you how to do it. So go forth, my followers, and make more amazing Vroid creations. Bye!